AcuSpecial is our classes to focus on a specific balance method concept. For example, we can learn to go further with Dr. Tan's strategy of 12 magical points, or go further with Dr. Tan's 5 elements. And it means that we are going to go beyond the theory and the common application of those concepts, and get the most out of it as high-level practitioners. And there also another kind of AcuSpecial, which is for a special disease or kind of disease. For example, we can have Acu workshop on gynecological problem, on digestive disorders, and then that's also a place where we discuss all the different balance methods that help us to treat those disorders. So during the AcuSpecial, it's also about thinking together, analyzing cases together, sharing difficulties, unblocking things that may be difficult for you in your clinic, and all that with great, fun and friendly atmosphere.